Vegetarian burgers are becoming increasingly popular. More and more people are seeking delicious food that's also good for them, and veggie burgers fit the bill perfectly. They're packed with vegetables, beans, and grains, making them not only healthy but also satisfying. And vegetarian burgers aren't just for vegetarians, they're for everyone. Anyone can enjoy a delicious and nutritious meal. So, why not try a veggie burger and experience a world of flavor? Building the perfect veggie burger starts with choosing the right ingredients. Beans and lentils are crucial. They provide protein and help give that meaty texture. Whether it's black beans, chickpeas, or lentils, they all work well. Then there are grains like quinoa or brown rice, which add substance and help hold the burger together. You might also consider using oats or breadcrumbs for binding. And let's not forget the vegetables. Onions, carrots, and zucchini are great additions. Finely chopping or grating them ensures the best texture for your burger. Here's a twist. Add beets to your veggie burger. Beets not only add a natural sweetness and vibrant colour, but they also create a beautiful reddish-pink hue that makes your burger look as good as it tastes. Plus, beets add moisture, helping the patties stay juicy and flavourful. And don't worry about a strong beet flavour overpowering your burger. It blends seamlessly with the other ingredients. Section 4. Tips for perfect patties. Texture and flavour. Texture is crucial for a good burger. Make sure the mixture isn't too wet. Add more breadcrumbs or oats if needed. This helps the patties hold their shape. A flavourful burger needs seasoning. Add your favourite spices. Cumin, chili powder, and paprika are great choices. Garlic and onion powder also add depth. Don't overcook the patties. Cook them until they are heated through and lightly browned. This ensures a juicy and flavourful burger. Section 5. Serve it up. Customizing your burger experience. The fun part is customizing your burger. Add your favourite toppings. Lettuce, tomato, and onion are classic choices. Avocado, sprouts, or pickles add extra flavour. Choose your favourite bun. Whole wheat, sesame, or brioche all work well. Toast the bun lightly for a crispy texture. Serve your burger with sides. Sweet potato fries, salad, or coleslaw are great options. Enjoy your delicious and satisfying vegetarian burger.